This thing is sick.
Yeah, don't know how to act now. Remember being broke, but now I got a couple racks now. Used to shop at Target, now I'm balling up in Saks now. I could give a fuck about what they think, I'll never back down. Lately I've been all up in my bag now. Crazy how the closest to you searching for some cash now. I just keep on running up, I'm trying to make my dad proud. But I'm moving silence, get the back, won't make the names ever change.
All right, we're crossing the highway right now. Neil got me doing some crazy stuff. There's a cop right there. Oh man, right in front of the cop. Right in front of the cop. Yeah, all right, I'll be all right. We'll see. Yeah, he's right there. He's right there. And I got stuck over here too. Come on, come on. Yo. Shit, now we get pulled over. We're in your car.
Go.
Go, go, go.
Slowly get away from
We're out. Peace out, officer. Alright, so we're at the shop right now. As you can see, they're getting their new lights put in. It's about to look crazy. And we got the wide body scat key right here. And we got Mo right here. Yo. We're about to take this thing out. And wide body scat. Yes, sir. April 17th is when your temp tag expired.
Take them a few days late.
Just a few. What are they gonna do? You can't go to the DMV, so. Oh well.
Just gonna ride it off. Man, I'm like more than a few days late. It's like the 29th. So.
You're like 15 days late almost. But alright, we're taking a ride to another shop right now. And yeah, I guess we're gonna see how this thing is. So let's do it. Haha. There we go. Sports mode. No, track mode. I don't have a track mode in my car. Damn. The shifts are mean.
They shift.
This thing shifts mean as hell. So I don't turn at this one, right? Or is it this one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yo, the shifts are so much meaner when you put it in track mode. You don't drive like this all the time?
No.
Not because you drive traction control on.
Yeah.
You can still drive it in sports though, with track on.
Yeah, everything turns on the traction from sport and up. Even custom turns on the traction as well. But I just turned it off just to be a little safer.
Yeah, I feel you. I don't know what car that is. Wait, so you have suspension control and stuff too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't have none of that. I wish. Yo, this thing kicks when you hit the gas now. Make a left, right?
Yep.
Alright, bet. Now we got blow the tunnel up. One thing I can say, this is the best part about our cars right here. 10.2 miles per gallon. It's amazing. It's like driving a Prius. That's probably the worst thing about driving a freaking V8.
I think I put $50 in gas in this car every day.
No, yeah, me too.
Every day.
I probably spend almost $1,000 a month on gas every single month.
Yeah,
without even. It's crazy. Driving this car, the gas mileage. So I can't imagine people with Hellcats that have like tuned Hellcats and stuff. They probably get like 6-7 miles per gallon. I can't do it. And when you hit the gas in this, you get like 4 miles per gallon, which is even freaking worse. Why'd he stop doing it? Well, let's see. How do I like the car? How do I like the car? The wide body? Fire. This thing is fast as hell too. You know, race, wide body versus Challenger?
I'll take you all day, man. Come on.
You think so? You think so? We can make, oh hell no, yo, what is going on back here? They are violent. Yo guys, I got a wicker bill coming and a front lip on the way, so be ready for that. That's already been shipped out, so we got that coming. And that tree is violating me right now. I don't like it. But yeah, we're back at the shop chilling, so see what goes down for the rest of the day. We are vlogging and it should be fun, so let's do it. If you didn't watch the full wrap reveal video, please go down below, click the link, check out the video, make sure you watch the video all the way through, share it on your Instagram stories. Let's blow that video up. Damn, the lighting in the shop looks fucking lit right now. It's gonna be good as hell for vlogs, to be honest. The lighting's way better now. Man. Midnight purple. Audi right here. This thing came out sick too. I would do a color like this, but I'm trying to get some clickbait going. That's why I had to do such a bright color. But this thing looks sick.
Most of the work that he ever does. all you do, bro. I haven't seen you do anything at all.
Okay.
Got it? Good?
And that's just loud. Alright, so we're in a different location right now. Just picking up the camera a little bit. And Mo and Neil just took me to probably the craziest place I've ever been in my life. I've never seen so many supercars, but I'm gonna show you guys a little bit right here. There's one. They wrapped this Bugatti right here too. They wrapped this car white. This thing is sick. Every single car in here is dumb expensive. It's insane. The Bugatti right here, old Porsche. This great. I don't even know what these cars are, bro. The Carrera GT. I don't even know what these cars are. They're all. I've never seen any of these in my freaking life, but they're all insane. That car in there's $4 million. It's like a 1956 or something. They said, I don't remember. But every single car in here is literally insane. The car that's missing right here, Mo's about to wrap, so that's gonna be crazy too. Another one. These things are all insane. Every single car in here is crazy. This right here is ridiculous. But hold up, in the back, I got a freaking 6x6 G-Wagon, so I'm gonna show you guys that too. It's crazy over here. Every car here is fucking retarded. Look. 6x6. That doesn't even make sense. There's like 2 of these on the East Coast. It's crazy as hell. But yeah, you want to see a lot more videos of this place, go down to the link in the description, check out Mo's channel, and yeah, they got a bunch more coming for you guys, so make sure you check it out. But I'm just showing a little bit because we're here, so I might as well get it for my vlog too. What is this? This thing is a freaking race car. What the hell? This is sick. I don't even know if this is real. I'm pretty sure it is, but dang. I have never in my life seen so many crazy cars in one place. This is like the most low-key warehouse too. This is like secret. Top Gear Imports. This is crazy. I don't even know what this thing is, but it probably costs a lot of money like everything else in here. I wouldn't doubt it. But I will take any car in here, any day. I don't care what car it is. These things are all crazy. Drop top? This one's old, I guess. Yeah, definitely. What the hell, bro? Everything in here is literally ridiculous, bro. I don't know what they're missing here, but I know there was probably a car, and I don't know, it's probably crazy. But this thing is crazy too. $4 million car. Doesn't even make sense. Alright, so we just left Top Gear. I went home, changed, got everything done that I had to do. And now we gotta go get a wheel alignment. So yesterday I messed up pretty bad. It was raining, you know, I felt like sliding around, so I went around, I got off the exit of the highway and I was drifting around the exit of the highway and I hit a pothole and all I heard was bang, super loud, a loud ass bang from my car, and I was like, oh man, I definitely just broke something. I thought I broke control arm or something. And then I went back to the shop, I was like, yo, am I good? They're like, yeah, you're good. It's just my wheel was like this. This is straight for my car. This is like me driving perfectly straight. So now I just need to get a wheel alignment, we'll be all right. Yeah, I definitely banged something up back there pretty good, so. Oh well. But yeah, we're off to get a wheel alignment right now and then see what goes from there, so let's do it. We got Neil in the Super right here. And here, let me show you guys how bad my wheel is. Wait till we get straight, hold on. This left turn real quick, all right. So I don't know if you guys can see, but this is me going straight. Look how turned the wheel is. And we're literally driving straight right now. It doesn't even make any sense. But we're gonna get that fixed, so. We got Neil in the Super right here. We got Panda behind us. And we out of here, so. Oh yeah, I wrapped my MacBook I wrapped my key and I wrapped my phone. Hold up. I did a good job. I'm not gonna lie, I did a pretty good job. Oh, I'm gonna get us copyrighted. But I did a pretty good job, I'm not gonna lie. Same color as the car. But alright, we out of here. Yep. Oh, you can't, I don't even know if you can see my car, but my car's in there right now, getting in alignment. And we'll be back to pick it up, so.
I'll go on this side.
Go on that side? Okay, we out. Alright, Shop is in alignment on my car right now. So we better hop in and get out of here. Let's get it. Let's see if they did a good job. That's the real question. Let's see. I need gas, damn. Alright, let's see if they did a good job.